Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can delete one XBet account permanently. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your 1xBet account, and now that you're here, you will go to your profile icon and then you will look for settings or account settings. So just go ahead and click that, and once you're here, what you will have to do is scroll down a little um until you see close account or delete account option. So it should be somewhere right here. But if you cannot see it, try looking for other areas or security. However, if it's still not appearing for you, then it might be because you do not have the full version of the website. So yeah, once you see that option, you will just have to click delete account, and then you will click request deletion and confirm your decision. And then the OneXBet may ask for a verification step such as your password or OTP to confirm your identity. However, if you really cannot see this, you could also contact a customer support. So you could either call back or customer support chat, and then you will just have to tell them the issue, which is you cannot find the delete account option. So yeah, that could work too. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.